Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a real pleasure today to meet with His Excellency the President and with his ministers and advisors, and to discuss especially the two issues I think that are most important on the agenda here in Somaliland and at the moment. First of all, of course, the really tragic situation around the drought that affecting a lot of the people of Somaliland. We have a meeting later after this press conference to learn more about the details about the situation. We have jointly contributed to the humanitarian response, and I think we are all prepared to do more based on the facts that we will learn later today about the situation. Secondly, we were discussing elections. I think we are all long-term partners of Somaliland. We have followed Somaliland from the time of conflict and instability and through a democratization process to where you are today. But we are also, as your friends and partners, concerned about the delays that we have seen in parliamentary and now the latest in the presidential elections. And we have assured the President and the government here that we would like to work with you to try and assist you in conducting the presidential elections as soon as possible. I think it's important for Somaliland to continue to enjoy the respect that you have had so far from your partners for your democratization, that elections does not become something that happens irregularly, but something that is a normal part of the political process here. Thank you very much.